The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone designed with mobile gamers in mind. Here's an overview of its key features and performance. The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G boasts a distinctive design tailored for gaming enthusiasts. Its rear panel features an aggressive, hero-like motif, reminiscent of a mecha's half-face, offering a bold aesthetic that stands out among smartphones. The glass-like finish on the back, while susceptible to fingerprints, effectively conceals smudges due to its intricate patterns. In terms of build quality, the device feels solid, though it may be slightly more flexible than some competitors. It lacks an official IP rating for water and dust resistance, so caution is advised to prevent exposure to moisture and debris. The Nubia Neo 2 5G comes with a pre-applied tempered glass screen protector and an acrylic clear case, which offers basic protection but leaves the sides vulnerable to potential scratches. The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G features a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 392 pixels per inch. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals for gaming and daily use. With a 20:9 aspect ratio and an approximate 86.3% screen-to-body ratio, the display provides an immersive viewing experience. The device is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T820 chipset, which includes a CPU configuration of 1 by 2.7 GHz Cortex-A76, 3 by 2.3 GHz Cortex-A76, and 4 by 2.1 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. This setup ensures efficient handling of both high-performance tasks and everyday activities. In practical tests, the Nubia Neo 2 5G demonstrates the capability to run demanding games like Genshin Impact smoothly, maintaining frame rates above 40 frames per second. This performance is commendable for a device in its price range. The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G is equipped with a dual rear camera system, a 50MP wide-angle lens with phase detection autofocus, a 2MP depth sensor aiding in portrait photography. It offers a 16MP front-facing camera with an f/2.0 aperture. Equipped with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the device also offers an extended RAM feature, allowing an additional 12GB of virtual memory. This ensures smooth multitasking and efficient app management. The smartphone provides 256 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage, offering ample space for apps, games, and media. However, it lacks a microSD slot, so storage expansion isn't an option. The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G is equipped with a substantial 6000 mAh battery, designed to support extended usage, particularly for gaming enthusiasts. Here's an overview of its battery performance. Charging. The Nubia Neo 2 5G supports 33W fast charging. Testing indicates that the device reaches a 25% charge in approximately 20 minutes, with a full charge taking about 1 hour and 25 minutes. Pros. Equipped with a Unisoc T820 processor and 8GB of RAM, expandable to 12GB, the device handles daily tasks and gaming efficiently. A substantial 6000 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, supporting prolonged gaming sessions. Offers 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, providing ample space for apps, games, and media. Cons. The 6.72-inch IPS display, while sizable, may lack the vibrancy and color depth found in higher-end devices. The 50MP main camera performs adequately in well-lit conditions but struggles in low-light environments, resulting in average image quality. Constructed with plastic materials, the device may feel less premium and potentially less durable compared to metal or glass counterparts. Conclusion. The ZTE Nubia Neo 2 5G offers a compelling package for budget-conscious gamers, delivering solid performance and gaming-centric features. However, potential buyers should consider its display quality, camera performance, build materials,